Hi, I'm Steve from the Stone Crafting Workshop. Welcome. I'm down at the beach today, as you can see. I've rigged myself up with this crafting setup. I've got a water supply that will give me a drip feed, and I've got my cordless Dremel type grinders, and I'm going to be working on this piece of stone here. It came off of this beach. Most of the stones on this beach, almost all of them, are agate type stones, and they're really hard, difficult to work. But this one's different. This is a piece of limestone, and there's a natural outcrop of limestone further, about 1.5 miles up the beach. And every now and again I wander up there and try to see if I can find some stone, and this is something I picked up there. And I'm going to try and work this. It's pretty hard, it's very heavy for a little rock, but I'm going to see what I can make out of it. So join me at my beach hut and let's try and make something. But before we start, I'm going for a swim. So join me in that if you want to. There we go. My little baby crocodile. It's going to sit in my bird bath. Just like that. That's what I plan. I don't think it'll frighten the birds, they're much smarter than that. A little bit of fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see me do more little bits and pieces like this, and also how to set up a water supply or use your stone crafting tools, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.